Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Hazelnut nougat paste is a popular ingredient in German baking. In this video I will show you an effortless way to make your own homemade nougat paste. Start with preheating the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Then roast the hazelnuts on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes. Now you need to remove the brown peel from the hazelnuts. You can do this by shaking the nuts in the bowl or rubbing them between your hands or in a kitchen towel. It doesn't need to be perfect. Add the nuts to a blender and grind them finely. Then add the powdered sugar to the nuts and grind both very fine. Temper the chocolate. You will find a link in the description for a tutorial how to temper chocolate. Add the butter to the melted chocolate and blend together. Then add the ground nut mixture to the chocolate and knead to a smooth consistency. Shape the mixture to a log and cover it with plastic wrap. You can keep it refrigerated for up to 2 months. I hope you will try your homemade hazelnut nougat in one of our baking recipes. Guten Appetit!